Hi, my name is Lexash, and today I'm going to be showing, let me start like this. You've probably seen these pictures, and this one, and this one, but I don't think you might have seen some of the other pictures from this shoot, like this one and this one. Okay, so I'm going to just quickly run you through how these pictures were made. It's going to be a very quick video. In September of 2020, I had the privilege of photographing the world superstar, the global superstar, Ayra Starr, for her debut, and it was an exciting experience. I got to shoot in the Maven studio. They have like this whole studio space where they create some of their content, and I went there to shoot. I had to rent some lights from Kiki Melissa to use. As you can see, I'm using Profoto lights instead of my usual Godox. But yeah, it was. I also had like my Godox with me, so I kind of put a few of them together to kind of create what I was going for. The first look was very simple. It was her in a very interesting, I forgot what it's called, like a bralette and a suit, and it was very nice. But then we like kind of played around with it. So you can see in this point we are shooting the whole suit with, she's kind of taking the jacket off, she's kind of putting it back on, and then we also shot like those major portraits without the jacket on at all. After a while we took it outside as well to kind of try to get some outdoor shots. I never shared these pictures, but as you can see, they are amazing as well. I really like this particular shot. And then we went back inside to kind of take a few more, and that's where we shot the actual portrait that she used to promote her coming project. Yeah. For the second look, she had this whole hoodie on with boots, Doc Martens, and we kind of, took it to the floor, got her sitting down, got her, These pictures actually ended up going on like a billboard in Lekki. That's how, they used to promote her project at the time. But yeah, it was a very exciting experience. Third look, we went outdoors. We went to a location to actually shoot it. It was this right now I think it's kind of an event center. People organize things there, but at the time it was kind of very bare, just greenery all around and like an uncompleted building behind it. And it kind of just shot. I created like this very earthy setup as well to kind of get some pictures of her, looking like a, I don't know how, I can't remember the exact mood board, but it was a very interesting experience as well. Added some plants, and all of those things to kind of just make it look very interesting and kind of boho-ish. And yeah, here are some of the pictures that came out from that particular look. Yeah, I know that I haven't really shared most of these pictures since they were shot, but in light of the recent Amazon video that came out, I just felt like it might be interesting for people to see, how some of those pictures were made. If you haven't seen the Amazon video, you can check out Amazon Prime YouTube channel. I don't know if it come out on Amazon Prime as well, but Ayra Starr has grown now to become one of the biggest stars in music, and I know she's going up way, she's going way higher than this, and I'm excited to have been part of the story. I'll show that another time apart from this. Maybe I'll share those pictures another time. But yeah, I just wanted to share this behind the scenes very quickly, kind of show you what I was thinking about, what, was going through my head while I was shooting. It was a very exciting experience. Shout out to Rima and Bella, who kind of did the creative direction and styling for the shoot. Shout out to the other people that were on the team, the makeup artist, hairstyle. It was amazing. Everybody came clutch. Really love the pictures that came out of the shoot. Till next time, it's your boy, Lex Ash.